All right, let's cover the glute bias dumbbell RDL. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get these dumbbells kind of close to our sides, right? So I don't want them out way in front, but I don't want them out way behind. Kind of like at this angle kind of right here. So again, not like super out here, not super back here. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna keep a soft bend in your knees. I want you to first tuck your chin and think about bringing the top of your head towards the ceiling. So again, you're gonna tuck your chin and then think about bringing the top of your head towards the ceiling. This is going to help you maintain a neutral spine as you go down into your RDL position, because what happens a lot of times is people will go like this and all you're doing right here is using your lower back. So what we're gonna try to do is tuck your chin and bring the top of your head towards the ceiling. Now from here, you wanna try to keep this position and just think about pushing your hips back towards the wall behind you. So again, I don't want you thinking down, because if you think down, you are going to drop your chest, right? So I want you to think is, again, chin tucked, head towards the top of the ceiling, soft bend. Now push your hips back to the wall behind you while keeping that tucked chin. And then once you get down to about where your shins are, so everybody's active range of motion is gonna be a bit different. And so what you want to think about is if you get to right here and your back starts to round, you're going outside of your active range of motion. You're just going to put the pressure on your lower back. So what I want you to do is, again, soft bend in the knees, chin tucked. Now you're going to push the hips back until you feel that stretch in your glutes right here. For me, it's about right here, because if I go past that, you see how I have to round my lower back? So more range of motion is not always better. So again, what you can do is just think about pushing that butt back, keep your chin tucked. Now, once you're right here, I want you to think about, once you get down in the bent over position, you want to think about pinching your cheeks together, squeezing your cheeks together, and then pulling the top of your pelvis down as you come up. So let me say that one more time. Once you get down in this position, your chin's tucked still, you can feel the pressure in your glutes. I want you to push your heels into the ground, and then again, do a slight squeeze of your glutes, kind of like pinch your glutes right there. So again, I want to show you my butt, but like if I'm in this position, slight pinch, this is different than trying to like rip the ground apart with your feet. That's not what we want here. We just want, like if I'm right here, if I squeeze my glutes right now, I can feel my glutes squeeze. That's what you want to initiate the movement coming back up. So if we're right here, we want to think about squeezing and then again, bringing this towards this. That's what we want to think about right here. And so again, when you stand up, don't overarch your back because you're not doing anything for your glutes at that point. So let me show you a few reps of what it might look like. So I'm gonna get set up here. And again, maintain some tension throughout your abs as well. So don't suck your stomach in. Actually try to almost push your stomach out and brace. Like if I was gonna punch you, or if you're gonna sit down and take a poop, that's what I want you to think about. So chin tucked, head to the top of the ceiling, abs are braced. Think about pushing my hips back to the wall. And then right now, squeezing my glutes, right back up. So again, back, 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 back. Think about pinching my glutes together, squeezing. Here, one last rep. Right there, right? I'm gonna show you from a few angles of this right here. So again, chin tucked, head up. Push back, push back, push back, push back. Squeeze glutes, squeeze glutes, squeeze. Once again, push back, push back, push back, push back. Right back up. And again, when you come back up from this RDL, I want you to think about this point and this point coming together. So don't think about, yes, think forward, but also think about this point and this point coming together, because you're in a fully stretched glute right here, and you want these 2 points coming together. That's gonna help you build your glute max right here. Once you're in this position, squeeze, bring these 2 points, squeeze. All right?